How to filter the Modernized PRS Record List for records with problems. The Record List page of the Modernized PRS site, by default, prominently displays the Problems column as one of the first columns in your view when you log into the PRS. If you want to filter for all records that have any problems, click on the filter directly below the Problems header and select the first option, Records with Any Problems. You'll see that selecting this option automatically selects all the types of problems that are listed in the filter. Click on the Apply button to return the result. If you instead want to see how many records have a problem of a specific type or some combination of types, you can return to the filter, click on Reset to remove the previous selections, and then choose the problems of interest. You can also select records with no problems to view those that don't have any issues. Note that problems in sections that are still in development in the Modernized PRS, like those in the Results section of a record, won't be included in the Problems column. If you have any questions about what the listed problems mean or how they can be resolved, you can click on Problem Resolution Guide above the Record List table. This will open Section 8 of the PRS User's Guide in a separate tab, allowing you to move back and forth between tabs to fix issues. There you have it. That is how to filter the PRS record list for records with problems.